Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Mailchimp for email marketing, detailed guide step by step clearly. Create an account on Mailchimp's website if you haven't done so already. Choose a plan that suits your needs, whether it's free or a paid option. Upon signing up, verify your email address to activate your account. Once logged in, you'll be greeted by the Mailchimp dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the layout and available features. To start your first campaign, click on the Campaigns tab on the left sidebar. Next, click the Create Campaign button. You will be prompted to choose the type of campaign you wish to run. Select Email for a standard email campaign. Give your campaign a name for easy identification. Next, choose your audience by selecting a list from your saved contacts. If you haven't uploaded a list yet, click on Audience in the left sidebar. You can upload a CSV file, copy-paste email addresses, or manually add contacts. After selecting your audience, click on Begin. Now, you'll set up the email itself. Start with the Setup tab where you'll fill in the email details. Provide a campaign name, email subject line, and the sender's name and email address. Proceed to the Content tab where you can craft your email's body. Choose a template or start from scratch by selecting Design Email. Utilize the drag and drop editor to customize the layout. Add images, text, buttons, and other elements as needed. You can preview how your email will look on desktop and mobile view. Once satisfied, click Save and Continue. Next is the Schedule tab where you can either send your email immediately or schedule it for. Select a date and time if you choose to schedule. Review all details in the final confirmation screen. Make sure everything is accurate and click Send or Schedule. After sending, you can track your email's performance. Navigate back to the Campaigns tab to see the status of your recent mailings. Click on the specific campaign to view detailed analytics. Use these insights to refine your future email marketing efforts. Experiment with different types of campaigns, segments, and content. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.